Creating meetings in OnTimes is very simple. All you really need to know is how to mark people. So if I want a meeting with, let's say, Edward, I can just click on him. If I click on him, I get the business card on the right side immediately, and if I mark him on the left side, I get a visualization over times that we could meet, in this case for a 1-hour meeting between myself and Edward. Let's include Glenda and Beverly as well. You can now see that the suggestions have changed to fit into all of our schedules. I can drag in the calendar now, and if I create a conflict, it gets red. Otherwise, if it's fine, I just release that button and create a meeting. This meeting is 1 hour long because that's how long I dragged it, and I'm inviting the people who are marked before. If I'm having trouble finding a time where everyone is available for the meeting, I can also use the new Find Free Time function. If I click on this, I will get suggestions for a meeting, in this case for a 1-hour meeting, since that's how long I dragged it. Now I have the different options available to me. I can put an alarm 30 minutes before. I can add people who are optional or just for FYI. I can create a location like this. I can find available rooms from my Domino directory. In this case, I want to use a room in London. I can book resources. I have conflict checking to see if someone is not available. I can choose my category directly from here, and I can write my description. Click send, and what you'll see here is that it creates the event in my calendar. As you can see, some of the people have the meeting as a gray area. This means that they have been invited, but they have yet to accept. So I can actually see right away when people have been invited to a meeting but haven't accepted yet. If I want to make changes to my event, I can just double click on it. I can then add more people to the meeting, for example. I have my whole directory here, but I can also add external people by their email like this. There are different forms of invitations. I can click, for example, add optional people who can choose to attend if they are interested. Click OK and send. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.